What's up, guys? Day 10 of learning SQL, and today we're going to look at the right join. The right join returns all rows from the right table and the matching rows from the left table. For example, in our case, select everything from the employee demographics table. Now let's right join. We right join the employee salary table. Let's alias that as sal. Let's alias the employee demographics table as dem. So we right join on. As we saw in our previous video, the common column between these two tables is the employee ID column. So that's where we write join on. Now dem dot employee ID, the employee ID column, right, equals to sal dot employee ID. Now what the right join does, it is that it takes all rows from the right table, which is the employee salary table, and the matching rows from the left table, which is the employee demographics table, and it gives us the results. So let's close that and run it. As you can see the results, it has given us everything from the employee salary table. As you can see, everything from the employee salary table from the employee ID going to the right, and the matching rows from the left table, which is the employee demographics table. Where there's no match, you can see we have null values here. So that's it for the right join. Follow for more. Bye bye.